Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to an academy. This is your KP sir, Krishna Prakash. I have 16 years of teaching experience, trained more than 150 batches for GATE, ESC, AE, AEE, and I'm the most experienced faculty in this field. And I worked in most of the coaching centers in India. Now, on online platform, I am working to an academy. And I'm going to teach the subjects environmental engineering, hydrology, irrigation, construction materials and management, open channel flow. So if you want to download an academy app and watch my classes, the code you want to mention after downloading an academy app, it will ask regarding the code. The code you can mention, that is KP Civil. So remember the code. This is the code KP Civil. So if you are new, you don't know regarding how to download, you just download, go to Play Store, download an academy app. It will ask one code. That code is KP Civil. Before going to start today's session, just a small announcement. In the entire month of December, combined in YouTube as well as Unacademy special classes, free classes, I would like to complete the entire subject of environmental engineering, GATE, crash course. 30 sessions I will take. Whatever the most important topics for GATE required by environmental engineering, all topics I will cover for free classes, free live classes I am giving in Unacademy app as well as YouTube. So don't miss the class. By this attending this 30 sessions of crash course of environmental engineering for GATE, surely you will get 7 marks in GATE. So I will discuss everything related to environmental formulas, numericals, whatever required most important, I am going to finish it. So in Unacademy, again, if you want to watch my videos, search the button KP Civil, you will get my profile. Go through the crash course, GATE crash course, you will get all my free videos. Okay. And December 8th onwards, I am going to start a new batch of GATE and ESC and AEE. Open channel flow full length course I am starting December 8th onwards, which is a new batch for GATE, ESC and AEE. Don't wait till that time. Take your plus subscription today itself. Join Unacademy. Trust the best for your preparation. We are with you. So while you are taking your subscription, use the code KP Civil. Remember the date. December 8th is the date I am going to start new batch of open channel flow, which is required for GATE, ESC and AEE. Now coming to today's session, how to qualify GATE in 2 months. From my past experience in teaching GATE and ESC, from the feedback from the old students, and also those just average, below average students who worked for qualifying the GATE, from their tips and tricks. So because students will discuss with the teacher very well. So my students discussed a lot of things, how easily they can crack the GATE. So based on that analysis, I would like to give a small video on how to qualify GATE in 2 months. While I am saying this, how to qualify GATE in 2 months, student will ask me, sir, why only to qualify? Why only 2 months? Now, from now onwards, you have just 2 months. December, January. You don't have more time. Is not it? So within 2 months, what to study, what not to study. The target here is within these 2 months, you have 2 months from now onwards for GATE examination. The 2 months are December and January. So in this December and January, to qualify GATE, what to study. You understand? Whatever the work you did till now, okay, whatever the work you did till now, leave it. No problem. You have a plan, you have to get top rank, okay, go ahead with top rank. For an average or below average student I am talking. For them, qualifying is a great matter. So, first let them qualify. What to study? What to study? To qualify. So, that is the question. Why only qualifying, and by doing qualification, just getting cut-off marks in GATE, I have passed in GATE exam, what can I do? That is the immediate question students will ask. For a below average student or an average student, it will give more confidence. First attempt he is writing is disqualified. So second attempt, will he try? An average below average student, what he will say? GATE is not part of my life. It is not in my path. So immediately he will demotivate and he left the preparation. But for the same average or below average student, in the first attempt he has qualified. Tell me, if in the first attempt he has qualified, how much confidence? So in college I am an average student, but in GATE I got 35-40 marks, I qualified. So I have something in my mind, I have something to do. Okay, I will go for second attempt, I will target top rank. That is the boost of confidence created. If you just qualify first time any student just qualified, he will get more and more confidence. That will be a stepping stone for his next success. If in the first step itself he failed, he is afraid to enter into the second step. So he may skip it. So now today's my target, I would like to make each and every student, average and below average student, to qualify GATE exam. Okay. What are the benefits after qualifying? You won't get any PSU job, very importantly. You won't get any NIT, IIT, but you are getting admission to MTech in local colleges and universities. To do MTech in local colleges and universities. Okay, what you can do while doing local college, MTech and university? You will get a stipend from the government. No need to depending upon your parents. No need to trouble your parents. Every month stipend is coming to your account. So your expenses, your course fees, your book expenses, everything you are going to earn by just qualifying GATE and getting stipend. So those who are doing MTech from local colleges and local universities, no need to worry about it. They will get every month stipend from government, central government, by qualifying GATE. Two benefits. First benefit, student will got more and more confidence. Will boost up his confidence. Now he is ready. Once he has qualified GATE, he feel that he can win the world. If he disqualified, he was demotivated, depressed. So he is not ready to do anything. So just getting qualifying marks, his motivation levels are very high. He will ready to crack anything. He's started preparing more and more. Second thing, if he want to do MTech in colleges or universities, it will help a lot for him. Every month he will get some stipend from the central government. So further, that is my target today, to make smiles on the faces of average and below average students, to increase confident levels in those students. That is our today's target. So how to qualify GATE in 2 months? So before going to it, generally everyone knows it. Distribution of marks. 15 marks is general aptitude, 13 marks is mathematics, 72 marks is technical subjects. So first of all, I will talk what you need to study from this 72 marks of technical subjects to qualify GATE. First thing I am going to discuss, what you have to study to get to qualify GATE from technical subjects. So the first and foremost important, the first priority subject for any student, is geotechnical engineering. What topics an average student can focus on? Geotechnical engineering to complete. So first and foremost regarding it, estimation of primary consolidation. I am giving you most important topics here. Listen carefully. Estimation of primary consolidation. Numericals related to it. Very, very important. Time required for consolidation. We'll have most questions from this time required for consolidation. Then problems related to flow net. Numerical questions related to flow net. Flow net problems. Then we'll consider permeability. Permeability. What is permeability? Can give questions. They will give 2 or 3 sample data. Data from 2 or 3 samples. And they will ask you to find out either permeability or H or Y values. Sample A, sample B, sample C data given. Determine permeability of sample C. Sample A, sample B data provided, determine H of sample B. Like that. Permeability standards. Examples of triaxial test. Very important. Examples of triaxial. I am not going to say you to study everything. I am giving you specific topics. You focus on those specific topics. You will get more and more marks. You understand? I don't want to trouble an average or below average student at present situation only 2 months for GATE. I don't want to trouble them. So, only I am writing here important topics. Examples from fundamental chapters, basics. Fundamental chapters are there in the beginning. Basics. Like void ratio, volume of air calculation, degree of saturation. The basics, fundamentals are needed. So I am writing those words also, so that it is easy for you to remember. Void ratio, volume of air, degree of saturation. These are important. Then stability of finite or infinite slopes. Last one. Stability of finite or infinite slopes. Stability of finite or infinite slopes. So if you finish these 6 concepts, what I have given, you will get a 6 marks minimum. You will get a minimum. I am saying 6 topics are given to you. Your target in geotechnical engineering, 6 marks you are getting. Primary consolidation, flow net problem, permeability, triaxial test examples, basics of fundamentals, and finally stability of finite or infinite slopes I am giving. Sure, for sure you will get 6 marks in it. So when you take geotechnical engineering entire syllabus, 25 to 28 lessons, concepts are there. So for an average student to remember all that, each and every point is very much difficult. So I make it precise. I will make it precise. The most important, second most important subject. Environmental engineering. For any exam after geotechnical engineering, soil mechanics, the most preferred subject is environmental engineering, and especially IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay will focus more on it, and will have more MSQs also from environmental engineering and irrigation. So focus more on it. The first and most priority, 100% no doubt, BOD. BOD lesson you are having 4 to 5 problems, 4 to 5 formulas, like 5-day BOD, ultimate BOD. Temperature and time conversion. 7-day 20 degrees Celsius BOD given. 7-day 20 degrees Celsius BOD given. You need to convert this to 4-day 30 degrees Celsius. Like this, temperature time conversion. or experiment, BOD experiment is provided, DO determination, BOD experiment is given, estimate 5-day BOD, estimate ultimate BOD, percentage of BOD remaining, percentage of BOD consumed, concentration of BOD remaining, concentration of BOD consumed. Other than this, remaining nothing, simple, easy. So if you spend 4 to 5 hours on BOD topic, you will get 2 marks damn sure. If you want, you check, verify how many number of questions on BOD in the previous topics, so that you remember BOD is very, very important for you. And also the same BOD they will ask in disposal of effluents by weighted average. You just verify previous year question. According to disposal of effluents, weighted average of BOD is considered with some small calculation. So one previous question is there, same model or just a small modification with the same model they will give. So just to go through disposal of effluents to understand weighted average of BOD. Then very, very important, nowadays it will become the each and every country's problem also, air pollution, followed by solid waste management. Solid waste management, air pollution, concentration unit conversion, meteorological factors affecting air pollution treatment units, some theory, quality index, air quality index you need to study. Solid waste management, you have design of landfill, solid waste chemical quality analysis, very, very important. Carbon nitrogen ratio, amount of carbon dioxide released, the amount of air generated. Okay, like that you are going to change it. So BOD, air pollution and solid waste management, the most important from quality analysis of water. Most important from quality analysis of water. We are going ahead with the total hardness, total alkalinity, pH studies. So we'll expect questions, numerical questions from this total hardness, total alkalinity, and the most important topics which include from quality analysis, because quality analysis is very, very, very vast. So much syllabus is there. So instead of going through each and every concept from quality analysis, it will take a lot of time, it will kill your time. We have total hardness, carbonate hardness, non-carbonate hardness related problems, total alkalinity estimations, pH studies. So I will write down here carbonate hardness and non-carbonate hardness calculations. And also along with this you learn unit conversions. Along with this you learn unit conversions also. That will be very much helpful. Then from the treatment of water, sedimentation, especially from sedimentation, particle diameter estimation. Remember this, diameter of particle to be settled, diameter of particle to be settled, settling velocity calculation, V0 calculation, very important, sedimentation topic. Then filtration, chlorination, especially in filtration you can focus on filter hydraulics, filter design, water quantity, wasted percentage of water for backwashing, and in chlorination, Chicksla, amount of bleaching powder required, those are important. And finally from wastewater engineering you study activated sludge process. Activated sludge process. Most of your questions are from these topics only. Something new they want to give, you go for sludge digestion and coagulation. Mostly the questions from basics, knowing the formulas of discharge and volume, easily you can solve questions of environmental engineering. Very easy. Very easily you can solve the questions of environmental engineering.
Hey, I will challenge you in PUBG. Will you come online to play?
No, I have online GATE class. I don't want to miss it.
Who is teaching?
Top faculty of civil engineering in India, KP sir on an academy. I am a big fan of his teachings.
Oh yes, I have also heard about KP sir. I am willing to join the class.
It's nice. Take subscription in an academy using KP Civil Code. You will be benefited more. Okay, let's crack it.
So I'm going ahead with the transportation engineering. I don't want you to trouble more and more giving more topics, because in environmental clearly specifically what to study topic wise also important. I have given, for example, when we take quality analysis, clearly written topic wise important also. So by this we'll expect mostly from environmental engineering 6 marks, geotech 6 marks, environmental 6 marks. Then we are going ahead with the transportation. Okay, transportation engineering we are having SSD, you know it, stopping sight distance, SSD, stopping sight distance calculation. Then horizontal curves, super elevation, and especially in transportation engineering you focus more on highway engineering, traffic engineering and highway engineering, very important. Airport, tunnels, bridges, railway, the words looking very good, but marks weightage point of view, especially in GATE, that will kill your time. Huge subject is there that will kill your time. So you focus on the highway and the traffic engineering. Problems on Q is equal to KV. You know green shield model. You know it now, green shield model. Problems on Q is equal to KV relation. Then vertical curves summit and valley. Vertical curves summit and valley, they will play very important role. Summit and valley. And what is from traffic engineering? Traffic engineering you will have, very important na? So from traffic engineering, signal design, delays at the signals. Traffic engineering you focus signal design, delays at the signals. So I am not giving you total syllabus. How many topics I have given? 5. From geotechnical engineering 6, environmental engineering 8, traffic engineering 5. SSD, horizontal curves and super elevation, problems on Q is equal to KV, vertical curves summit and valley, traffic engineering, signal design, delays at signal. We are expecting from these topics 4 marks will come. So whatever I am giving is expected only, we can't guess absolutely it will come from the previous paper analysis, from the previous students discussion, and subject wise faculty opinion I am saying here. Okay, damn sure we can't say we are not God na. Damn sure. So these are most important, most repeated we are giving with respect to geotech, environmental and transportation. Then after completing these 3 most important technical subjects, I will move on to small subjects which include hydrology. Small subjects which include hydrology. So in hydrology we will focus more on 4 topics. Infiltration. So only 2 formulas are there, na, simple. One is a phi index, one is Harton's curve. If you know these 2 formulas, you will solve all questions in infiltration. Simple as Harton's equation. I will write down the equations itself. Phi is equal to rainfall minus runoff by time. Phi. Harton's equation. Ft is equal to Fc plus F0 minus Fc into e power minus kt. They will ask you cumulative infiltration. For cumulative infiltration, you remember f of t is equal to integration of 0 to t ft into dt. Enough. Two formula. Infiltration Horton's equation 1, phi index 1. You will get one question from it. Hydrograph. Hydrograph. Most expected and very important topic. Every time we have one question from hydrograph in GATE exam. Very important. Hydrograph. Then well hydraulics. Flood frequency analysis. Flood frequency analysis. Along with this, you learn average precipitation. P average, average precipitation determination. Like Thiessen polygonal method, isohydral method. Two methods, Thiessen polygonal, isohydral method. In well hydraulics, you know the formula. Velocity is equal to K into I. Discharge is equal to KIA. Using this, most of the formula will come. Flood frequency. If you know probability statistics, flood frequency analysis is easy. In this, most important is hydrological risk or P1. Hydrological risk or P1. 1 minus Q power N. We can write it down. 1 minus 1 by T whole power N. This is the formula. So mostly using these formulas, using this 5 topics, just 5 topics, you will have 3 marks in hydrology. Infiltration 2 formula, hydrograph, somewhat little lengthy topic, big topic, understanding is very important. If your teacher is good, hydrograph is easy. Well hydraulics, flood frequency analysis, average precipitation. You know Thiessen formula, isohydral formula. I am writing the minimum number of topics required, minimum marks we are getting from it. Approximate minimum marks we are getting from it. Minimum number of topics to study, minimum approximate marks you are going to get it. Then CPM and PERT. Must, don't miss this, because this is very easy. If you use your brain, easily you will get 2 marks from it. CPM and PERT, which include critical path method, PERT, crashing, resources allocation. So as per the previous advancement of questions given in the GATE pattern, this time we are expecting more questions from crashing or resources allocation. Focus on those topics more. Then plastic analysis. You no need to study entire steel. Just you focus on plastic theory or analysis. You will get 2 marks. CPM and PERT, the teacher is going to teach you 10 to 12 hours. Plastic theory 10 to 12 hours. So for you to one day to prepare, one day you spend for CPM and PERT, one day you spend for plastic theory. You are getting 4 marks easily. Got it? You are not spending a lot of time. You are not spending just one day, you will get easily marks. Then I will go with another small subject, surveying. Surveying you are getting. So you focus on traverse surveying, compass survey. You focus on compass survey, leveling, error measurement, photogrammetry. If you finish these topics, you will get 2 marks. 3 marks, 4 marks also will come. 3 marks, 4 marks also will come. I am writing minimum marks. So traverse survey, compass, leveling, photogrammetry. Mandatory, must and should 1 question. 2 marks you will get. Then very easy and important, open channel flow. And I am not going to tell you to read everything. Rectangular channel geometry, rectangular channel geometry, triangular channel geometry, not especially channel geometry, triangular, specific force and specific energy calculations, specific energy topic, hydraulic jump. But very important point you need to remember here, to solve questions in OCF, subject knowledge is very important to you. To solve questions in OCF, your subject knowledge matters. Understanding and analysis of the question is very important to you. Flow profiles. I have given to the students charts and tables. The charts and tables will give all numerical solutions for any question from OCF. Again, I am writing only minimum marks here. I am not writing more and more marks for it. Just 2 marks I am writing. So very simple and easy. So by this slide, CPM part 1 day, plastic theory 1 day, surveying 2 days, OCF 2 days. 6 days you are spending. 8 marks. By this slide you are getting 6 days you are spending 8 marks. And then you have a doubt. Why hydrology discussed but why not irrigation? Yes, irrigation. But we can't expect much more marks from irrigation when you observe the previous paper. This time IIT Bombay giving more weightage to irrigation. We expect 1 to 2 marks from irrigation. That too based on duty delta base period formula. Duty delta base period formula. Efficiencies, irrigation efficiencies. Field capacity and permanent wilting point studies. After this you focus on gravity dams or weirs. Mostly these are the topics. Better you study irrigation in the last, because we may not expect question from irrigation. So small topics only, easily you will finish off. One formula, duty delta base period. Delta is equal to 8.64 B by D. Simple formula. Delta is equal to 8.64 B by D. Simple formula. You will get delta value. Is not it? Simple formula only. One formula for irrigation efficiency also. Discharge into time by area into depth into 100. Irrigation efficiency. Easily you will solve the questions. All questions of irrigation easily you can solve. So, you focus less topics and more marks. Strength of materials. I am focusing on strength of materials. Very important for civil engineering students. SFD and BMD. Shear force and bending moment diagrams. Principal stresses and strains. Principal stresses and strains. If you want to focus still more, focus on deflection of beams. If you want to focus still more, focus on deflection of beams. Studying these topics you will gain 4 marks. SFD, BMD, principal stresses and strains, deflection of beams. If you are good at analysis, good at understanding the problem, good at studies, then you focus on strength of materials. If you are worrying, don't go through it, because your analysis skills are very important to solve questions of strength of materials. Strength of materials. Fluid mechanics. I don't give more and more topics here. You go through basics like properties, properties in fluids, specific gravity, density, viscosity, formulas and all those things. Pressure measurement units, pressure measurement instruments, basics. Fluid dynamics, flow through pipes. Focus more on this. So on this you will get around 3 marks. around 3 marks. Then coming to structural engineering subjects, people are worrying. Civil engineers love structural engineering subjects, RCC, steel and structural analysis. Most of the civil engineering students love these subjects. But weightage point of view with respect to GATE, we don't love it. So one topic you focus in structural analysis, static and kinetic indeterminacy. Static and kinetic indeterminacy. Very important. Must and should question, you have 2 marks from this. 2 marks from this. Must and should, guarantee, damn sure. RCC. RCC. Learning code book, IS code book knowledge, very important for RCC. IS 456 code book you can take, that is very, very important for you. IS 456 code book. Then basic concepts are important. Basic concepts what are required. Then singly reinforced sections. Singly reinforced sections. Study beams, columns, slab. Singly reinforced structure. Limit state method. Limit state method. You focus more and more on limit state method. What about steel? If you want to leave steel, just leave it. No need to study because already you have completed plastic theory. But still, you are the lover of structural engineering. Then you go for connections, eccentric and concentric connections. Eccentric and concentric connections. You go through the connections. Okay, you understand? So these are the technical subjects. By studying all the topics I have given here, you will get 5 marks. Approximately 5 marks. So count out of technical, 72 marks, 6 geotech, 6 environmental, 12, 4 from transportation, 16, 3 from hydrology, 19, 8 marks from this total slide, CPM part, plastic theory, surveying, OCF, 8 marks, 27. So irrigation 1 mark will take, 28, SOM 4 marks, 32, FM 3 marks, 35, all remaining 5 marks, 40 we got now. Still you have not studied mathematics and aptitude. Is not it? Still you have not gone through mathematics, aptitude, engineering mechanics left over, leave it, engineering mechanics, don't worry. So still you are not yet gone through mathematics. Mathematics. So probability and statistics, complete probability and statistics you need to finish here. Because these concepts of probability and statistics will help you in hydrology, in structures, in other subjects also. Complete, full probability and statistics will give you 2 marks here. And the same probability statistics question, one question will come in aptitude, general aptitude. So that one more question you are capable of answering. So don't leave the topic of probability and statistics. After probability and statistics, the most important is calculus. The most important is calculus. So from calculus, what topics to study? Because there is a big, teachers will teach you 40 to 50 hours. So you are worrying what to study. So from calculus, what to study? Maxima and minima, Taylor series, curl, line integrals. So focus on this, you will get minimum 3 marks you will get. Okay, I am not giving you 3 here, I am giving you 2 marks only. 2 marks only, okay. So probability statistics we are expecting 2 marks, calculus From maxima, minima, Taylor series, curl and line integrals, we are expecting 2 marks here. Then, if you are good at mathematics, you are not from diploma background, you are from intermediate or +1, +2 background. Easy, by knowing few formula, easily you will finish numerical methods. You complete it, complete numerical methods. You will get 1 to 2 marks. You will get 1 to 2 marks. You understand it? Then followed by differential equations. Differential equations. Differential equations, I will give you higher order linear differential equation. Very, very important. Higher order linear differential equation, especially determination of YC and YP. You know it very well. Determination of YC, YP. Euler-Cauchy equation. Euler-Cauchy equation. These are most focused topics. Most focused topics on differential equation. Then, still, you are good at mathematics, you go for algebra. Systems of linear equation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If you are good at mathematics, again and again I am saying, if you are good at mathematics only, you touch algebra. Systems of linear equation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So by this you are going to finish these topics. So at least you will get a 6 to 7 marks in mathematics. What is left over? Leftover aptitude. Anyone can say this is important for aptitude, logical reasoning, English. Your brain, your intelligence, your analysis, your thinking. But if you use to practice more and more questions in aptitude, you are getting habituated to solve the questions. This time newly introduced spatial aptitude. Like images will be given, 4 images will be given. What is coming next? 5th image. So like that you focus more. Go through previous aptitude papers, PYQs. Easily you can solve the questions. So finally I am making you to prepare for 50 marks from it. My important topics from geotech, environmental, transportation, hydrology, CPM pod, plastic theory, surveying, irrigation, SOM, FM, structural analysis, RCC steel and also mathematics. I am not giving you chance to aptitude. Aptitude, you have to use your brain, analysis, practice more and more questions. If you love aptitude. Then sources of study. Very important. For these topics, at least class notes is needed. If possible, you only attend the class and you only write your own notes. If not possible, borrow class notes from those who are attending coaching centers. If possible, attend the session, watch the session, write down your own notes. That will reduce your preparation time. Maybe it is taking more time to attend the class, but your preparation time getting reduced if you prepare your own notes. Take any coaching center study material for it, only for those topics, and try to complete all questions in PYQ book, full. Irrespective of important, unimportant, whatever questions in previous year questions book of GATE, complete all of it. Write online test series, very important. Not only writing online test series, what you have written, what mistake you did, what is your mistake analysis. Put a book for mistakes. Today you have written 30 questions on online test series. Maybe 20 are wrong. 10 correct, leave that 10 correct, no problem. But whatever 20 you are getting wrong, put a book, mistakes book. Write down question 1, mistake in unit conversion. What mistake you did, write down. Question 2, mistake in taking the formula. Then what is the formula you have to take, what you have taken. Like that, if you start preparing mistakes book, very important. Writing is not important. Knowing the mistake, not repeating the mistake in the next online test series. Final GATE exam, that is important. So how many number of mistakes you are rectifying? You are that much closer to your target rank. Okay? That is very important, you remember it. While making preparation of class notes itself, prepare short notes and charts which are very helpful for revision point of view. These are help for you at the time of revision point of view. Okay. So concept clarity, because you are preparing few topics only, not all the entire syllabus in 2 months. You are focusing on few concepts only. So your concept clarity is very important. Yes, strategy, because you are having only 2 months. So your strategy is very important. Okay, you are having each and every subject to important topics you are with you. Which subject, which to prepare, how much deadline. That strategy is very important. So you have 60 days with you. Your target is to be complete your syllabus in 50 days. Put revision for 10 days. Within 50 days, whatever I have given, important topics, important subjects, important topics of all subjects, important topics. Along with that, you have to finish PYQ's book. Along with that, you can do online test series. 50 days target here. You spend every day 1 hour for online test series, subject wise or topic wise online test series. 1 hour for PYQs. Remaining time you dedicate your preparation for important topics of all subjects. 50 days time. So you have only 50 topics as per my analysis. Check number of topics here. 6 in geotech, 8 in environmental, 14 topics, 6 in transportation, 20, 5 in hydrology, 25. Again, CPM, PERT, plastic theory. Here, 7 topics, 8 topics, OCF. So overall, all are small topics only. Overall, I will give 10 topics, 35 topics. So irrigation total 1 topic only. SOM 4 topics, FM 7 topics. Here 10 topics will take, 45 topics. Then here 5 topics, total 50. Other than maths I am saying, total 50. Every day 1 topic from core, 1 topic from mathematics. That is easy only, every day. Or else you give like this. First 20 days target. Most important subjects. Geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation. In 20 days, you need to finish these 3 subjects. Next 10 days target. I am giving you hydrology, surveying, OCF, CPM and PERT, plastic theory. 10 days is more for this, I think so. According to me, 10 days is more. Okay, you take 10 days. Hydrology, survey, CPM, PERT, OCF and plastic theory. Next 10 days, you give to mathematics and strength of metals, because more difficult topics. Then still you have 10 days. FM, RCC, SA, steel. Then where is time for aptitude? So every day 1 hour aptitude. So all 50 days you are practicing question, you are preparing aptitude. Every day 1 hour aptitude. So effectively you are preparing. First 20 days geotech, environmental, transportation. Next 10 days hydrology, survey, OCF, CPM, PERT, plastic analysis. Next 10 days maths and so on. Next 10 days remaining. Still you have 10 days for what purpose? Revision. If you work hard like this daily 10 to 12 hours based on this timetable, you are going to not only qualify, you will get a best rank in GATE exam. Not only to qualify, if you go through this strategy, You are completing as per the given target, PYQ book, writing online test series, rectifying analysis mistakes in online test series, revision using short notes and chart. You are the winner. So exam strategy. Create your own notes, maximize the focus, don't demotivate in the middle. In so many of my sessions I told you, no one will motivate you. You are only your self-motivator. Teacher will motivate for some time, parents will motivate for some time. Every day, every minute, every second, the one who motivates you is you only. You are only your self-motivator. Think about yourself, your life, your career, your goal. You only motivate. So thank you one and all. This is the session we have finished regarding how to qualify GATE in 2 months. And to benefit the student community, to help for those who are unable to buy online test series, those who are attending only free classes, economically not capable, I am giving you Super 30 free online test series every Thursday at 5 p.m. You download an Academy app, type KP Civil, check my profile. You will get a Super 30 every Thursday, one test 5 p.m. 30 questions of GATE standard 1.5 hour examination for 50 marks. Each subject wise test series is there. Next time we are going to give full length mock tests also, practice tests also. So we are with you in your GATE preparation. We are providing not only for paid student, for free course student also. For every student we are providing free online test series for GATE and ESE Super 30. Enroll now itself. And what is the difference between unacademy classes and other coaching classes? I will clarify very clearly here. So our faculty are a top faculty who worked in most of the coaching centers in India. And the number of hours of subjects they are going to teach. This many number of hours you never get anywhere. Generally, you are taking GATE coaching in one institute, AE coaching in another institute, ESC coaching in another institute. But we provide you single step solution for your preparation. By this coaching, you will get knowledge for GATE. You are capable of solving IES questions. You are capable of solving your state government question, SSCJ, any exam. Let's take environmental engineering. I am teaching 140 hours. Hydrology 60 hours. Irrigation 60 hours. Open channel flow 45 hours. Who will teach this many hours? So you understand by number of hours you can understand how much depth of subject we are providing to you. Got the point now? From December 8th onwards, I am going to start a new batch of GATE, ESC and AEE. So why to wait? Join as early as possible Unacademy using the code KP Civil. While downloading your Unacademy app, it will ask you the code. The code, remember the code. What is the code? KP Civil. Okay. If you want to take plus subscription, enroll now itself because December 8th is shorter there. We are starting a new batch of GATE, ESC and AEE. Open channel flow I am starting there. And if your friends want to take the subscription, refer them. Tell them the code KP Civil. Okay. Let's crack it.